Okay. Woke up, saw a tweet, and had to go check this out. I'm pretty excited. As someone that's been trying to grow their YouTube channel, it's something I've been very interested in having on my YouTube channel, but had kind of given up on, was the community tab. You know, that page where people can go and you can make comments and you can give little snippets about what you're working on, just in case you don't have a video coming out or a short or something. You don't have to have people following you on Twitter, which is a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. But they can go to your channel and they can see, hey, he hasn't uploaded a video or done something, but here's the community. He made a post today telling us what they're working on or something along those lines. Well, before you had to have like the 1,000 subscribers or 500 subscribers and all this other stuff. And I'm getting close to it. Thanks to everyone that's been supporting the channel and subscribing to it. I appreciate it. I'm on a I'm on a 90-day journey. By the end of the year, I would love to be to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm really focused on that aspect of it. And when they announced this, and I saw the tweet, and someone said it, I had to go check it out. So Dragoneer, who is one of the platinum product experts with YouTube, made the post on the 14th of October that says, expanding access to the community tab. We've heard again and again that community posts are a great way to deepen your connection with your viewers, which is why we're excited to announce that we're expanding community tab access to even more creators. Over the next couple of weeks, any channel with advanced features will begin to have access to the community tab. More details on this can be found here. I'll go to that page in a second. We want more channels to benefit from the community tab so you can build and maintain relationships with your fans, which is fantastic. I found that very, very exciting, right? And this link, I'll put this down in the description below to both this community post and to this, so you can understand what I'm about to show you. So in order to get here, you have to go to if you're a YouTube creator, you go and you have unlocked YouTube Studio, right? You go to, here, I'll just open up a new one. You go to your studio right here. You go to the top right, whatever page you're on, and you come to YouTube Studio, which takes you to your dashboard where your analytics are, your content views, things like that, playlists that you've created that you can manage, where you can see your analytics. So you can see here where I'm really trying to get further along and I'm being more active. But to get to where they're talking about here in the article to verify your account, channel, YouTube Studio, and settings, a lot of people go, I don't see settings anywhere. We'll go to the bottom left. They put it all the way down on the bottom, just totally separate it out. You click on settings and you go to the channel. And this is where you can update stuff. I just cleaned all this stuff out earlier when I did an update, and I need to go through and change some keywords. I've got a video coming out to describe the channel. So, like a commercial channel thing, I guess you could say. But you want to come over here to feature eligibility to find out what you're eligible for. Now, I've had my YouTube channel since rocks were soft. I just hadn't done much with it, which is all on me. Had I actually known and done more, I would have gotten there. But anyways, so to the community tab will be under advanced features. Under here, you've got things. If you have this green check mark that you see here where my mouse is, that means you've met the requirements. So your channel is free of active community guideline strikes. They don't have anything against me. I don't really play any music. I make sure that all my content is original or free fair use, a bunch of all that other stuff that just comes from time. And you can go through the YouTube help and creator help stuff to get there. The next, and they stack on each other. Before you can have intermediate, you have to have the standard features enabled, right? And then here, I've already verified with a phone number, but my channel's been around long enough that it met the requirements. So I have the standard features enabled and the phone number's been verified. Now, I do that because I use two-factor authentication. I don't want to lose my channel or anything. I've had friends that it was a nightmare for them to get their channel back, and they had a YouTube partner manager to help them through it. So I'm doing everything I can to make sure that my channel is secure. I don't block links at trusted sources, all this other stuff, trust, verify, everything else. And this allows you to do videos longer than 15 minutes. You can do custom thumbnails and let you go live streaming. So those are the requirements. The big one here, advanced features, is just where the community tab is going to be. I got a little fly flying around here, excuse me. As you can see, my channel history is what is verified, and I don't have to use either one of these. I can if I want to. If you've got a new channel, just follow the links in here or the instructions that are provided here to do a video or valid ID verification, which will help you advance and unlock this. They're doing this to make sure that you're not a spam bot or anything. You know, we've all been in those streams like with CB or somebody else. All of a sudden, the chat, there's just some weird chat bot thing going and doing its weird crap. So they're trying to do that to help cut that down. But I'm really excited to create more live streams daily, upload more daily videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, something I haven't really done much with, internal links to video descriptions, appealing content ID claim. Well, you can appeal content ID claims if someone files something against it. I haven't had to do that. And this is where I'm working on eligibility for monetization. So again, at the end of the day, if you're a content creator and you're doing a channel and you've got goals, I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I am trying to get to 4,000 hours viewed. The community, adding the community tab is going to be very helpful to me to engage with people to find out what they're liking about what I'm doing. I'll let them know what I'm working on and get feedback because I'm still trying to learn how to video edit. I am I'm bad at video editing, and I'm not too great with thumbnail creation either. So I'm learning all that stuff. In January, I'm actually taking a night class on some video editing to hopefully help me out. And it's something I need to learn anyways. But that's where those are at. So again, if you want that and you got a new channel, follow this, get these instructions. This will be in the description below on this video. But hopefully you can see here where you can set up certain things and stuff for your channel. I don't have the community tab yet. They're rolling it out over the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping that sometime in the next day or two, I'll actually have it. And once I do, I will start using it. So let me know in the comments below if you find community tab useful with those that you follow that have it, and how you like to see it used. I'd be very interested in that one. I want to start hitting it off the bat and keep going strong. And again, if you haven't hit that like button or subscribe button, I would appreciate it. Again, let me know what your questions are down below. I do kind of a variety of content. People are like, you need to get a channel more specific. Once I've got a better understanding of this, I'll start breaking things down. I do a lot of gaming security, the lack of security for the consumer and their protection for us against the big guys. Beta testing, which is something I'm trying to really get into and redefine how developers work with testers. You should not have to be a big streamer to get in closed beta, because I think that is a double-edged sword in a lot of ways. But I do a lot of technical videos, streaming, hardware. I've been doing computers since 1994 professionally, specialized as a cybersecurity analyst and security architect since for the last 18 years of that. So that's what you'll get out of me, just a pop of geek, man. Anyways, appreciate everyone stopping by. And if you got questions, put them in the comments below. You guys are fantastic, and I will see you in game or see you in streams. Thank you very, very much.